So guys, you are uploading a lot of videos on the Facebook page option. What is the purpose of increase your channel views or website traffic? A lot of things are there. So in this, I'm discuss about that. Your Facebook page video, how we can showing for other Facebook page videos. Suppose if you watch any videos on your particular Facebook option, suddenly they can show some ad will be there. The ad nothing but in-stream video ads. Your ad will be showing for other videos. That is called you can promote your brand purpose. Promote your brand purpose. How we can promote your particular brand? So we can see a lot of videos when you're playing something videos here. So the page will be applicable by is eligible by the in-stream video ads. Your ad will showing for other Facebook page videos. Is complete for ad. So how we can promoting that ad will be in your particular Facebook page. In this purpose, first upload video on your Facebook page option. Click for boost post. Click for boost post. Here the option will be get more people to watch your video. Purpose. Learn more. Same feature we can give by the option called in-stream video ads. How to show users. They show user will be this like of ad type. You can see ad. They can see for ad type where mobile users and desktop users. Where you can play other your videos, you play your video. Purpose of increase your website traffic and YouTube channel traffic. Now in this purpose, compulsory remember here this video promotion time. Your compulsory follow. This is you can add the YouTube URL compulsory. After your channel ID, question mark sub underscore confirmation one. Why we can add in this URL type? When people open this link, if he is a new beginner, they got one of the pop-up box. Subscribe our channel. So that is reason and give this URL. So you can give by here. Here will be shop now, book now, learn more, sign up, get direction, send message, WhatsApp message. What I'm clicking for, learn more. I'm not from promoting any product or any kind of booking a tickets, everything will be. I'm just promoting for any particular option will be here. In this. Everything will be HTTPS and everything will be here. Done. Next, you can target by audience. Select here. So where you can promote your particular ad and based on audience 50. I'm selecting for total India. Here I'm selecting for who will be learning for digital marketing. Here I'm target only for interested candidates. Only for interested candidates. Now click for. So my complete location will be India here. I'm targeting by total India in this. Save. Everything is done. Select your placements. Here automated placement. And go to the manual placement. Facebook and Instagram. This will be showing for total these steps. Desktop newsfeed, mobile newsfeed, Instagram, Instagram stories, and Facebook Instagram video, Facebook Instagram video, mobile and desktop, and Facebook stories. They will be showing for video for Facebook story also. That all will be here. If I'm showing for particular option, I'll show in this particular Facebook option. Just here I'm showing this sample one. The showing will be like this will be the particular. So this I'm showing will post option. Same will be showing for your particular video also. I'm just inserting here another one. So guys, is a one more option. Sponsor Canva, social media engagement. You now click for learn more option. Here what I'm give the video will be give the learn more option here. This all will be in a particular mobile they're showing for this option. Mobile will be mobile news feed Instagram stories, Instagram in the first clear, Facebook, Instagram video here. Finally, you can set your budget. The minimum budget you have set for 76 rupees per day. The minimum running for 4 days boost post option. Suppose I'm searching for this option here, they give the error. Minimum running for 76 rupees, compulsory we can maintain. So I maintain for your particular amount. So here I'm adding for particular amount here. When adding this budget, per day reach will be 1700 to 5000 per day reach. People will reaching. Per day will be spending for 77 rupees point 50 paisa. So running for 4 days ad will be here. Select your budget option. Total will be adding for 365 rupees. Your complete budget will be here. Now available balance will be 781 rupees will be there. So finally, we have to start. If we want reach more people, suppose here 2000 to 5700. Daily you are spending for 87 rupees point 50 paisa. Now finally, if you are okay with this option, click option will be called boost post option. Total placement 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 placement. In the particular video, I will be promoting for 7 placement option. Here will be here. Now click for boost post. Finally, your ad will be submitted for boost post option to increase the viewers by using particular video will be Facebook, Instagram, Facebook in stream video ads, and the Facebook story option, desktop and mobile. Total 7 field they show your particular ad to encourage your audience, particular YouTube channel subscriber purpose. So this is a way we have to promote your videos on the particular Facebook and Instagram option. If anyone asking question, shall we promote our video in the Instagram stories? Yes, we'll be promoting. My video will be Instagram stories also. When it is possible. Some people here, very important question is called. So I'm promoting my video. They can't show Instagram feed. Compulsory you have remember the Facebook page will be connecting for Instagram mandatory feed. Instagram will be compulsory mandatory feed. Your compulsory we have to follow the Facebook page connecting for Instagram. When it is connection will be perfect done. The ad will be showing to Facebook page and Instagram also. The connection will be going to steps. The option will be called settings. In the setting option, we have to future will be there Instagram. When you can connect Instagram, automatic ad will be showing to the Facebook page and Instagram also. The ad is approve or disapprove. How to check? The option name is called Ad Center. The option name is called Ad Center, your particular Facebook page option. This is nothing but to engage your audience, how much reach, everything will be given by the particular report. If we go to the complete report, click for view result. They go to the results will be here. The showing for complete report will be in the particular option. So if you're spending for 350 rupees per day, they're reaching for 14,000 to 43,096 rupees. People will be reach the particular option. They give the complete budget will be 826. Now their review will be going to here. After that, they're showing for people, placement and location, everything. They give the report on a particular ad center box. So this is the way we have to promote your video from other Facebook videos. The option will be here, Facebook, in-stream video ads.